welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Now, hey kings and queens, if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to the channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by my small part of the YouTube universe. Okay, there's a whole lot of new of y'all. So thanks to everyone who subscribed to the channel. We appreciate you and welcome to the family. Okay. In this video, as you guys can see by the title, I am doing the giveaway winner announcement. Okay, we're announcing the winner of the giveaways. Now, if you do not know what I'm talking about the $400 giveaway, okay? Between me and 10 other lovely women. And you know, here they are, as you guys can see all over. But now the giveaway is now officially closed. And so this is me just congratulating the winner of the $400,000. No, ma'am. The $400, baby, $400,000. I would have been right up there. I would have been first in line. But nah, this is the announcement for the $400 giveaway, little baby. So I want to congratulate all the winners. Thank you so much for entering. So yeah, so the $50 winner, you guys, was Little Baby right here. Little Baby right here was the third place winner and they won the $50. Congratulations, okay? I remember my aunt got a $50 gift card, baby. I was just excited. So I hope you're just excited for this $50 cash honey, okay? Cash money, okay? Run me my coins. I'm in it. Now, congratulations to our second place winner for a grand prize of $150. And that person is, yes, ma'am, yes, sir. Yes. Congratulations to you, baby, okay? You put in the work. You did that. You said, I'm here to be a winner, baby, okay? Point blank, period. So congratulations to our second place winner. Thank you so much for entering our giveaway. We hope this blesses you, blesses your family, all that good jazz, okay? And now, guys, for a grand prize winner of $200 or $200 grand prize giveaway winner is yes. Congratulations, okay? Wow, $200 all for you, okay? Congratulations, okay? Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for, making that comment. Thank you for entering our giveaway, okay? And thank you to everyone who entered the giveaway. We don't want to forget about you. We appreciate you as well. Thank you to everyone. And hopefully we can do another giveaway soon. For me, that's a little bit in the video because we still got my $25 giveaway to do. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, so for this portion of the video, this is the $25 giveaway announcement. As you guys know, with everyone else who won, they had to be publicly subscribed to all of the ladies involved in the giveaway, and they had to enter the comment they had to enter. For mine, the only comment you needed to make was enter me. That was it. That was all. Those were my two rules: be publicly subscribed and to type enter me in the comments. So I have my YouTube channel up, I have the video up, and I will be looking for the public subscriber that is chosen, and I will also be picking the person. So I have the comments. Let me start recording my screen. Okay, so we are going to start the raffle. Everything's already in the random raffle pick. So we're going to click record and then we are going to start and see. So this person is transforming Lena. Okay, so let me verify because I don't want to put someone out there if they, you know, have not. If they are not publicly subscribed, then I don't want to like put their information out there. So Transforming Lena. So Transforming Lena is publicly subscribed and she is the winner of the $25 giveaway. Congratulations, sis! Congratulations! So I just looked her up on my comments. She is there. She is, you know, public. She is available. She says, hello, good morning. How are you? I'm here. Am I a winner? Yes, I am. Congratulations, sis. So guys, Transforming Lena is the winner of the $25 giveaway. I will be reaching out to her. I will let her know that good sis, you it, girl, you it. And yeah, guys, that ends this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for entering. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and being a part of this giveaway. We hope every person who received a giveaway prize is very blessed. We're just thankful that you gave us the opportunity and that you decided to join us on our journey. So yeah, guys, that's it. My name is AnekeAnnakay. You know, like, comment, share with a family, friend, or foe. If you are new here, it's that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't